Regitze from Greatness Advertising. Maybe you've heard that TikTok has been banned in many countries, India for instance, and it's likely to be banned in other countries too, maybe even in the United States. But the thing is that people like that style of content, the short style video content, and they're then going to look elsewhere for that type of content if TikTok is being banned. And that opens up a great opportunity for us as advertisers. Because if people can't watch it on TikTok, they're going to look at other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And those platforms, they have already started to focus on that type of content because they notice that that's what people like. So you can now make YouTube shorts and Instagram reels and Facebook reels. And to incentivize advertisers to make that type of content that the user like, that's what Facebook wants. They want to please the user. Then they incentivize the marketers to make that type of content. And they do that by giving us more reach. For instance, with organic reels, you get more reach, so you reach more people than with other posts. And if you are doing paid ads, then you get cheaper ads when you do that type of ads. So it's a great opportunity, so go ahead and make more short style videos. If you want help with this, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. If you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with me. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group called New Coaches, Consultants and Entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description for that too. And don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.